Build muscle after 70. This vegetable protein 1,000x better than eggs. You'll be shocked. The standard advice for decades has been to consume massive amounts of animal protein, specifically eggs, to maintain health as we age. However, there is a fundamental shift in physiology that occurs once you cross the threshold of 75 years old that almost no one in the general public is discussing. While eggs are often heralded as the gold standard of protein, they can become increasingly ineffective for a specific reason known as anabolic resistance. After 75, your muscles essentially go through a phase where they stop responding to protein in the way they once did when you were 50. You might find yourself eating 2 or even 3 eggs every single morning, convinced you are doing the right thing for your body, yet you continue to witness a slow and steady decline in your physical strength month after month. This disconnect between what you eat and how your muscles function is a critical medical concern. A landmark 2023 study published in one of the world's leading journals on aging and nutrition highlighted a striking discovery. Adults over the age of 75 who shifted their focus toward combining traditional proteins with specific high-impact vegetables saw significantly greater gains in lean muscle mass over a 12-week period compared to those who relied entirely on eggs, chicken, or standard dairy products. We are not describing a minor change that can only be seen under a microscope in a laboratory setting. We are discussing measurable, visible, and highly functional muscle improvements. These improvements help seniors perform essential tasks, such as standing up from a chair more easily, stabilizing their balance to prevent falls, and increasing their grip strength in a way that is clear and measurable to their medical professionals. As a surgeon, I have spent countless hours reviewing clinical scans of older adults who appeared to be meeting their daily protein requirements on paper, but were nonetheless suffering from a shrinking effect where their muscle size decreased year after year. The core of the issue is rarely about the volume of protein you are putting on your plate. Rather, it is whether your aging muscle cells are still capable of receiving the signal to grow and repair. Once you reach your mid-70s, anabolic resistance becomes a powerful barrier. It means your muscle fibers now require a much more potent activation signal to initiate growth. While eggs certainly contain high-quality protein, they lack the specific compounds necessary to address the surrounding environment of the muscle, including increased systemic inflammation, reduced local blood circulation, and the weakened nutritional signaling pathways that inevitably develop in the later decades of life. This is where the world of plant nutrition offers a surprising and vital alternative. Specific vegetables contain unique bioactive compounds that act as keys, unlocking muscle protein signaling pathways, drastically improving circulation to the target tissues, and lowering the low-grade inflammation that often blocks the muscle's ability to grow. When these vegetables are strategically paired with the right proteins, they create an amplified muscle-building response that eggs simply cannot provide on their own after age 75. To truly understand why these vegetables are so transformative, we must examine the concept of systemic inflammation in depth. In our later years, the body often enters a state where it is constantly on alert, producing chemicals that essentially signal the muscle tissue to break down rather than build up. Animal proteins, particularly when consumed in excess or without enough antioxidants, can sometimes contribute to this inflammatory load. On the contrary, these 5 target vegetables serve a dual purpose. They provide the raw building blocks for muscle tissue, specifically branched-chain amino acids, while simultaneously providing the metabolic support that ensures those amino acids actually reach their destination. One of the most fascinating ranked vegetables is located at the top of our list for its ability to activate a cellular switch directly related to cellular longevity and muscle preservation. For many researchers, the data surrounding these vegetable compounds has been mind-blowing. growing, showing that certain plant-based options might technically be significantly more effective than traditional eggs because they bypass the metabolic bottlenecks commonly associated with old age. Before we identify exactly which vegetables are key, I want to share a medical history that forever changed my perspective on how we nourish our elders. It is the story of Robert Mitchell, a 76-year-old retired engineer who walked, or rather was rolled in a wheelchair, into my clinic. He weighed only 52 kilograms, and his legs had become so thin they looked fragile enough to break under the slightest pressure. Robert had lost 23 kilograms of lean muscle mass in just a year and a half. This was a man who had once been vibrantly active, building furniture as a hobby, and living an entirely independent life. Yet, in just 18 months, he had become a shadow of his former self, unable even to perform basic tasks like opening a jar without assistance. What was most shocking about Robert's case was that he was already doing everything the standard medical books recommended. He was eating eggs, chicken, and steaks. He was taking amino acid supplements that were expensive and marketed directly to seniors. His intake was approximately 120 grams of animal protein daily, and he was working out with a personal trainer several times a week. On paper, his lab results looked acceptable, yet he was physically wasting away. This condition is what many experts now describe as inflammation-induced protein resistance. In Robert's case, every steak and every egg he ate was effectively bombarding his system with pro-inflammatory signals that told his body to reject repair. Essentially, his muscle cells had built up fortress walls that amino acids could not penetrate. Cutting-edge research from institutions like Stanford University has shown that nearly 40% of seniors deal with this specific paradox, where eating more animal protein actually accelerates muscle loss. It is the biological equivalent of trying to put out a fire with gasoline. To save him from complete sarcopenia, we had to rethink everything. I decided to initiate an approach found in more niche medical journals, focusing on plant proteins with bioactive compounds that could reverse cellular inflammation. In only 2 weeks on this new protocol, Robert gained nearly 2 kilograms of real muscle mass, a feat his previous physicians said was impossible at his age. Within 8 months, his transformation was so complete that he looked more robust than he had in his 60s. He was back in his woodshop, building tables and reclaiming his life. He became a living testament to the fact that muscle health in old age is not just about the quantity of protein, but about the specific chemical signaling of that protein. The fifth incredible vegetable for restoring muscle power after age 75 is one that is commonly misunderstood: cooked spinach. Most of us think of spinach solely as a source of iron or a simple leaf for a salad, but its reality is far more potent. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides 5 grams of protein, which is surprisingly close to the protein content of a whole egg. However, it is the quality and delivery system of that protein that truly matters. Spinach possesses a superior amino acid profile when it is analyzed for high-impact branched-chain amino acids like leucine, which is the primary driver of muscle synthesis. Perhaps more impressively, spinach is packed with natural nitrates. These nitrates act as powerful natural vasodilators, expanding the blood vessels and increasing blood flow to muscle tissues by up to 40% shortly after you eat them. This creates a highway that allows nutrients and oxygen to reach the muscle cells that have been starved by poor circulation. Additionally, spinach contains massive amounts of magnesium, which helps regulate over 300 different enzymatic reactions in the human body, many of which are responsible for muscle repair. When older adults include cooked spinach in their diet, studies have shown significant improvements in grip strength over just 4 months. Crucially, the spinach must be cooked to unlock this power. If you eat it raw, the cell walls remain largely intact, and a large portion of the nutrients remain locked inside. When you saute spinach lightly with a healthy fat like extra virgin olive oil, you create a chemical reaction that breaks those walls down, making the protein exponentially more bioavailable. Furthermore, adding a bit of lemon juice to the cooked spinach uses vitamin C to further optimize the absorption of the plant protein. This small, culinary step acts like rocket fuel for the muscle building engine. Moving up our list, the fourth vegetable is broccoli, and its power was famously demonstrated in the case of a patient named Margaret. At 78, Margaret was struggling with severe atrophy. We switched her breakfast from basic eggs to steamed broccoli, combined with a smaller portion of animal protein, and the results were clinically staggering. Broccoli contains a specific compound called sulforaphane, which researchers have found can activate dormant satellite cells in the muscle tissue of seniors. These satellite cells are effectively stem cells that repair damaged tissue. By activating them through nutrition, Margaret gained significant lean muscle mass in only 8 weeks, reclaiming her ability to navigate her stairs and carry her own items. Broccoli is unique because it provides more protein per calorie than beef when prepared correctly. 1 cup of cooked broccoli is only around 55 calories, but provides over 4 grams of protein. Because it is so nutrient-dense, it helps seniors maintain their caloric goals without excessive saturated fat or cholesterol common in animal-heavy diets. The key preparation for broccoli is to steam it just until it reaches a bright, vibrant green. Overcooking can damage the sulforaphane, while eating it raw can make it hard to digest for many seniors. By lightly steaming it and including a bit of extra virgin olive oil, you protect the anti-inflammatory compounds like quercetin that protect the muscles from daily wear and tear. This is not just food, it is a clinical grade intervention that helps preserve the independence of those who are most vulnerable to muscle loss. Third on our list is a green that has gained a lot of trendiness lately, but is actually a physiological powerhouse: kale. Kale contains a very specific type of plant protein known as rubisco. NASA researchers have been intensely interested in rubisco because it is incredibly effective at preserving muscle mass even in zero-gravity environments where the body naturally tries to atrophy. For an adult over 75, life on Earth can feel like a gravity experiment where the muscles are constantly trying to weaken. Kale is loaded with sulfur-containing amino acids, which are essentially the building blocks for glutathione, the body's most important internally produced antioxidant. When seniors have high levels of glutathione, their muscles are much more resistant to the oxidative stress that naturally occurs during aging. One study from the University of Cambridge found that seniors with higher glutathione levels maintained leg strength levels several 100% higher than their peers. Furthermore, kale supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential because your ability to absorb any protein depends entirely on the health of your digestive tract. By using a thermal shock method, dipping kale in boiling water for 30 seconds followed by an ice bath, you destroy the anti-nutrients that block mineral absorption while keeping the muscle-building amino acids perfectly intact. The second major food group we should shift our attention to isn't just a vegetable, but a powerhouse from the legume family often used in vegetable-centric diets: black beans. A single cup of cooked black beans delivers a massive 15 grams of protein. This is double what you would get from a large egg, and is far easier for many aging bodies to process because it comes with specific plant enzymes. Black beans contain stratospheric levels of anthocyanins, the dark pigments that guard muscle fibers from breakdown. In Robert Mitchell's case, black beans were a pivotal part of his recovery. They provide an amino acid called phenylalanine, which is the precursor to the brain chemicals that handle the communication between your nervous system and your muscles. As we get older, this brain-to-muscle Wi-Fi connection can become slow or spotty. By providing the body with high doses of this specific amino acid, you help the muscles respond faster and with more power to the brain's signals. It effectively upgrades your functional coordination from outdated dial-up speeds to modern high-speed broadband. Furthermore, black beans provide natural, bioavailable plant creatine, which offers the energy required for cellular contraction without the harsh impacts on the kidneys that synthetic powders sometimes cause. Finally, we arrive at the top spot on our list, a food that is often overlooked in traditional Western protein discussions: quinoa. Quinoa is frequently mistaken for a cereal grain, but it is technically a seed closely related to spinach and beetroots. It contains what is scientifically considered a perfect, complete protein. NASA, Harvard University, and the Max Planck Institute have all conducted studies showing that quinoa is significantly superior to casein, the protein found in dairy, across all key biological value parameters. What makes quinoa a miracle for seniors over 75 is that its amino acid profile almost identical to the specific profile found in actual human muscle tissue. It provides the body with a blueprint that is easy to follow for repair. It contains high levels of lysine, which is the master regulator of protein synthesis. Without enough lysine, all other proteins you consume are effectively wasted because the body cannot finish. The building process. Quinoa acts like the contractor that ensures every amino acid on the building site actually gets put into the wall. It also contains unique betalains that act like master keys, opening transport channels directly into the muscle cells, allowing them to absorb nutrients far faster than traditional sources would allow. Beyond protein, quinoa contains iron that is vastly more absorbable than the iron found in red meat, yet it lacks the pro-inflammatory markers that come with high cholesterol animal fats. This means that muscle tissue gets more oxygen and moves into an anabolic or building state far easier. To make this work effectively for muscle restoration, the preparation is ancestral. Soak the quinoa for 6 hours to remove saponins, rinse it thoroughly, and then cook it in a bone broth or mineral-rich water. This activation process ensures that when it hits your stomach, the nutrients are ready to be deployed instantly. In Scandinavian clinical trials, seniors who replaced a portion of their animal protein with properly prepared quinoa showed dramatic improvements in their balance and functional strength within less than 2 years. They didn't just maintain their strength, they increased it. While this information is powerful and scientifically grounded, it is vital to remember that changes to your lifestyle should always be made with sensitivity and care. I am not advocating that you completely cut out all foods you enjoy or entirely ban eggs from your refrigerator. Rather, the evidence suggests that for those over 75, we need to be more strategic about how we source our proteins to avoid the pitfalls of anabolic resistance. If you have any history of kidney disease, diabetes, or other chronic conditions, it is imperative that you consult with your specific primary care provider. These dietary shifts are about reclaiming your health and ensuring that you can maintain your dignity and independence as you move forward. Your muscles are not just pieces of tissue, they are the literal foundations of your freedom. They allow you to travel, to play with your grandchildren, and to stay in your home. By shifting focus toward these 5 nutrient-dense powerhouses, quinoa, black beans, kale, broccoli, and spinach, you are essentially investing in a future where strength is not something you used to have, but something you live with every single day. If this medical investigation into plant proteins and geriatric muscle health has opened your eyes to new possibilities, please consider the impact this information could have on the people you know. There are millions of seniors who feel they are doing everything right by eating their traditional protein-rich breakfasts. Yet they are losing weight and becoming more fragile with each passing season. By sharing these findings, you are participating in a movement that prioritizes biological wisdom over outdated dietary dogma. Robert Mitchell and Margaret are clear proof that our muscles have a secret reserve of strength that can be unlocked with the right fuel, regardless of chronological age. It is never too late to begin a new narrative where you are stronger at 77 than you were at 70. Start with your next meal, focus on proper preparation techniques, and observe how your body responds to the ancient, powerful logic of plant-based muscle support. Together, we can change the conversation about aging from one of inevitable decay to one of potential growth and sustained vitality. Your health is your most precious asset, and you now have the tools to protect it more effectively than ever before. Rebuilding your strength is more than a nutritional goal. It is a commitment to your own independence and your ability to lead an active, joyous life well into your 8th decade and beyond. Use this knowledge wisely, consult your medical professionals, and listen to the feedback from your own body as you nourish your muscles back to their rightful power.